In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manually create activity in Strava app. This is perfect for workouts you forgot to record, indoor sessions without GPS, or any effort you want reflected in your training log. I'll walk you through each screen so your activity looks clean, accurate, and set to the right privacy level. Start by opening the Strava app on your phone. From the main screen, look for the plus icon at the bottom. Tap it, then choose the option to create a manual activity. This tells Strava you're entering the effort yourself rather than importing it from a device. Next, add a clear title to your activity so you can recognize it later. Something like morning treadmill run or lunch ride works well. Fill in the how it went section to capture how you felt or any quick notes you'll want to remember, such as conditions or goals. Choose the sport type that best matches what you did: run, ride, walk, hike, swim, or another option, so Strava calculates the right metrics and categorizes it correctly. If you have photos or short videos from the workout, you can attach them now to bring the session to life in your training log. Now complete the activity stats. Enter the distance and time you actually covered. These two fields typically drive pace or speed, so accuracy matters. If you know elevation gain or calories, add those too, but it's fine to leave optional fields blank. Double check your units, miles or kilometers, and make sure your time entry reflects hours, minutes, and seconds as needed. A quick review here helps ensure your training history stays consistent. Move on to add details. This is a great place to write a fuller description. Select the gear you use, like shoes or a bike if you track equipment, and tag it as a commute or trainer session if that applies. These details make your data more searchable and help you track wear on gear over time. Before finishing, choose the visibility that fits your needs. You can make the activity visible to everyone, to followers only, or keep it just for you. If you prefer to keep your feed uncluttered, toggle mute activity so it doesn't appear prominently for others while still counting toward your totals and training metrics. When everything looks good, click Save Activity. That's it. Your manual entry is now part of your Strava history, accurately reflecting the work you put in.